The thought of which M.Pharm specialization to choose from, or if we are ever going to get there, is already troubling a lot of B.Pharm final year students. So today, we are going to have an insightful conversation with one of our guests. So hi everyone, this is Anurag Singhal from the KnowledgePharm in collaboration with IPGA Student Forum. Welcome Mr. Aditya Jindal from Mohali, who has recently been placed in IQVIA. Hi
Hi
Aditya.
Anurag.
So Aditya, how difficult was it for you to choose a specialization in your B.Pharm final year, and how did you land up choosing Pharm MBA?
Okay. So actually, when I started preparing for my GPAT and eventually for NIPER, my aim was never to get into a particular course. My aim was only to get into NIPER Mohali. So that's really strange, but it was true.
Okay.
So when NIPER finally announced its results, I only had 2 weeks to decide which course or which field to choose. And as NIPER offers 15 different fields to choose from, I was really confused because after spending so much time on my preparation, getting through NIPER, getting through GPAT, I really didn't want to make a wrong decision. So eventually, what I did was I started contacting my seniors who were there at NIPER Mohali, and luckily, many of my seniors from my bachelor's were there at NIPER Mohali. So I contacted them up, and I literally called every one of them, and it was not just one call. I called them up, each of them up 4 to 5 times to ask them about their particular fields. So they helped me to gain insights about what their field offered, how were the placements, what are the future prospects of their field. So this helped me gain insights, and finally, what I realized was there was a common question that I was asking from each and every one of my senior. It was about placements. How are the final placements of that particular course? After realizing this, I knew all I wanted from NIPER was getting placed in a good company with good package. Now that I had my aim in my mind, all I had to do was select courses which will help me to achieve these aims. So according to the type of placements and quality of placements, I was able to short down my list to just 3 to 4 courses. And obviously MBA was a part of it. So finally, I arranged these courses in an order of preference. You really want to have a preference list because there might be possibility that you don't get your first preference in counseling, and you should have something to fall on. So the thing is, MBA's admission process is done before MS, and so my plan was to secure a seat in MBA first and then appear for counseling for MS as well. So with the help of God, I was able to pass both group discussion and PI round of MBA, and I was able to secure a seat in MBA. The same day when I got admission in MBA, I contacted many teachers and my seniors who were doing pharmaceutical MBA from NIPER, and I had quite a long discussion with them, and they helped me realize that my personality and my aim completely resonated with what MBA has to offer, what NIPER's MBA will be offering. So that was the point of time when I finally chose MBA and I didn't appear for MS counseling. Another thing that really helped me choose MBA was the alumni base of NIPER's MBA, which consisted of many seniors sitting at respectable position of top pharma companies, both in India and as well as abroad. Now, can you imagine, Anurag? I literally chose MBA at the last moment, and it could not have been better for me.
Yeah, that's amazing. Thanks, Aditya. I think support and guidance from our seniors and teachers is something we should definitely keep our mind while coming to a discussion. We shall also be cognizant of the fact that we choose something that we are really interested in. So, Aditya, what would you suggest our current batch while making a decision? How can they choose wisely while making a decision for their specialization to get into?
So, the thing is, my first suggestion to this batch will be first to concentrate on their exam. I mean, you need to score good in order to have a choice. And unless you don't score good, you have to go for what is left, right? Now, once you score good, the second thing is you should make a note of what you want to do after 2 years of NIPER, not what you want to do in NIPER. Once you have that aim, once you have that list of what you want to achieve after 2 years, then it's really simple. You just go to your seniors, your teachers, and inquire that what course will help them achieve that aim. Now, I know it is difficult, it is not easy, For this, the best help will be from your seniors, as they are the only window to otherwise hidden world of NIPER. Talk to them, ask questions, make a decision tree of what you want and how can you achieve it. Eventually, you'll get your answer, and it
Definitely.
will worth it.
Yeah, definitely. I think that would be helpful for the final year bachelor students right now,
Exactly.
who have this dilemma in their mind right now, what to do and how to do it. So Aditya, what were the future prospects of Pharm MBA that attracted you in choosing this specialization?
So the actually when I finally got into MBA, that was the time I came to know about the opportunities that I can get into. Earlier to that, I was simply aware about marketing consulting. So,
Mm-hmm.
but there are many more fields that you can go into after entering pharma MBA.
Okay.
They include business development, project
Mm-hmm.
management. You can also get into machine learning once you have acquired the domain knowledge. Obviously,
Okay.
sales and marketing are part of pharmaceutical MBA, but
Yeah.
there are many more fields to choose from.
Okay. Yeah, I think that would be very helpful for the students who would be watching this video and who are in a dilemma that what specialization to choose from and why. Thanks, Aditya, for your thoughts. I hope every final year student now who is struggling to make a decision ends up making a good one. Thanks everyone for watching this video, and we shall get back to you soon with another guest with a different specialization. Please let us know in the comment section which specialization you want us to talk more about. Goodbye and see you soon.